Okay, question 12. The monthly pocket money of Ravi and Sanjeev are in the ratio 5:7. Their expenditures are in the ratio 3:5. If each saves rupees 80 every month, find their monthly pocket money. Their pocket money is in the ratio 5:7. Okay, so this is the first thing that I'm going to take. Pocket money. This ratio for Ravi is to Sanjeev. This is going to be 5:7. So this value we can take it as 5x. This value we can take it as 7x. The second part is their expenditure. This is in the ratio 3:5. So this is what we are taking second condition, that is expenses or expenditure. Okay, this again Ravi is to Sanjeev. This is in the ratio 3:5. Okay, so this I can take it as 3y and 5y. Okay, now whatever is the pocket money, from that if I minus expenditure, correct, that is going to be how much money they are going to save. So if I'm going to subtract pocket money minus expenditure, that will be the money that is going to be saved. So for Ravi, okay, this is going to be 5x minus 3y. This is equal to the amount saved is rupees 80. Same way now for Sanjeev I am taking, okay, this is going to be 7x minus 5y is equal to, again he is also saving 80 rupees, so this is going to be rupees 80. I got a simultaneous equation. We are going to solve this simultaneous equation. We are going to get the value of x. We are going to get, once we have got the value of x, then 5x and 7x are their pocket money. That is what they have asked. You can solve this and you can send this to me. This you have to solve this in the form of simultaneous equation, which I have done with you earlier. Okay, so this equation, I'm taking this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay, so any one of the coefficients either of x or of y we can equate. Now here 3 is there, here 5 is there. Okay, so I'm going to multiply this equation by 5 and this whole equation is going to get multiplied by 3. All the terms are going to get multiplied. Okay, so now I'm going to write those terms. Okay, so this is going to become 25x minus 15y. This is equal to, okay, this is going to become 400. This equation is multiplied by 3 all the terms. Okay, so this is going to become 21x. This is going to become 15y, minus sign is there. This is equal to 80 into 3, this is 240. The signs of coefficient of y are same. So I'm supposed to change the sign of all the terms. So this plus 21x is going to become minus 21x. Minus 15y over here will become plus 15y. And this plus 240 is going to become minus 240. 25x minus 21x, this is 4x. Minus 15y plus 15y, this will get cancelled. This is equal to 400 minus 240, this is 160. Okay, so I got the value of x, that is 160 upon 4. So that is going to be, x will be 40. Okay, now the pocket monies are in the ratio of 5x and 7x. So this is going to be your final answer. All right, so 5x, that is for Ravi. This pocket money is 5x. that is 5 into 40, that is rupees 200. And for Sanjeev, okay, this is 7x. So 7 into 40, that is rupees 280.